Gravity shakers, they're grinders, salt and pepper, spices. Put anything in there that you like that can be ground up. Requires 12 AAA batteries. You're going to unscrew the bottom of the base. It's got a nice large capacity, and we're going to add our salt and pepper in there. And we're going to place on the base, re-screw it back on. Simple as that. To take it off, you're simply going to twist. It comes off. This is where you're going to make it coarse and fine by turning it in one direction or the other. And you're going to place in AAA batteries on one side. Don't forget to place them in on the other side. Line up correctly. Place your batteries in. Okay, so if it doesn't turn on, make sure you put your batteries in correctly. Batteries are in correctly. As you can see, it turns on and lights up. You want to make sure you get the cover on and everything works just fine. I'm going to grab a plate here. I'm going to turn it. You can see it's starting to spin. Give you a nice close-up look so you can see it operate. You have a light. As the salt and pepper goes in there, it starts to grind up, and that is the coarse. Adjust it so you have it real nice and fine. And again, tilt. And there you go. Doing a nice job, nice and fine. Do the same thing for salt. You're going to take off the cap, untwist the container, and place in your batteries. Make sure your batteries are in when you turn it. Everything spins. You can place your salt in. When putting the cover on, there's a locking tab and everything, so you simply just do your best to line it up, get it on, and twist. And there you go. Grind your salt. So everything's nice and ground. I can make some, eggs and everything, and I got salt and pepper. Now, if I make a mistake here and I want to take the base off and put either one on, you can do so like so. There's no problem switching the bottom bases. Everything is all interchangeable. As you can see, they do fit. Now here we have the cover, and what we're going to do is, hey, stuff is coming out. Let me make sure I clean it. If it's sticking, they give you a nice brush for that. And if you ever need to take things off, please remove the batteries. You can see it may be just a little difficult. Take the battery out so the machine don't go on. Untwist the top. You can take things off and clean. Just remember how they come off. Take the brush, get in there, clean it out nice and deep. Then take the grinder cap. You can place it back on. Make sure it sits in there properly. And place the gray cap back on, and you're ready to go for the next time. An excellent salt and pepper grinder shaker, gravity shakers. With the blue light, grinds coarse to fine. Nice clear bottom so you can see exactly what you got inside and how much salt and pepper and spices you have left. I hope you enjoy your shakers if this is the product you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.